Hi guys, it's me, Anga888, and today I shall be showing you, first of all, my awesome hammock for reference. Oh gosh, I can't get this shit out of the way. Anyways, yes, here it is. Ooh, I don't know where I found the netting for this, but I did. And on it is Talia, the little Persian cat, and I'll be showing you today the awesome outfit that my grandma made for her. It's a dress. Here it is. It's made out of this sort of lacy thing. It even covers her tail. It's sort of like a veil for her tail. Things like nice. And she has whiskers. She has whiskers. And there's a little bow in her ear, but that's made with her, so here it is. Once more, I'll show it to you. It was tailored especially for her, and well, I hope you like this video. I'm going to be showing you this really cute outfit. So yes, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Whee! Oh, fail.